Waxing, shaving, or laser hair removal? Pag-usapan natin yan. Hi, I'm Doc J, your board-certified dermatologist and hair specialist here at Dermis. Shaving and waxing can be convenient and affordable, however, they can carry risks. So when it comes to shaving, we only remove the top layer ng hair natin. It does not remove the hair follicle itself. And when the hair regrows, lalo na kapag namali tayo ng direction ng shaving, it could cause razor bumps or the folliculitis, which is actually an infection of the hair follicle. It could also cause accidental cuts sa skin natin, and this could cause permanent mga scars, mga hyperpigmentation, which can become unsightly para sa atin. So when it comes to waxing naman, it is actually fast, easy to do, commonly available anywhere, and results with instant smooth hairless skin. However, the hair will regrow back. It can be very painful. It can cause redness, irritation, and sometimes even allergic reaction. So nowadays, the best way to remove hair is actually by doing laser hair removals. There are many types of lasers used in the market. Before, we are actually using the intense pulse light or the IPL. There is also the Alexandrite laser. There is also the Nd:YAG laser. But what is best among all the lasers right now is the diode laser, which emit 810 nanometer laser on the hair follicle. So if you are looking for long-term hair reduction, kailangan natin ng multiple sessions yan, usually every 4 to 8 weeks. Very important for us to be consistent so that the hair would not return back. Many patients ask, Doc, is this permanent hair removal? So the quick answer is no. There is no such thing as permanent hair removal. What we have, even with the current technology right now, is the permanent hair reduction. Ibig sabihin, in time, there are fewer hair growing, it is more smoother, it is more lighter, it is more thinner, and less visible. But there is no such thing as permanent hair removal. Here at Dermis, we have a 810 nanometer laser hair removal machine equipped with a crystal lens to make sure that the laser beams goes down as deep as possible into the hair follicle. Meron din siyang high technology cooling system that prevents the patient from feeling the heat ng laser machine, so nagiging more comfortable yung patient. So disclaimer lang, as doctors, we do not discourage the use of razors and waxing. If you choose this method, make sure when you shave, you go to the direction of the hair to prevent razor bumps. And when it comes to waxing naman, make sure if you notice any redness, irritation, or itching after the waxing, you should consult your board-certified dermatologist. So if you wish to explore safe and effective treatments for hair removal, you can visit us here at Dermis and we'll be happy to help you with your hair reduction journey. See you again! Bye!